In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo to your website in Webflow and set things up. So without any further ado, let's get started. Right here, I have this website, so let's go ahead and click on View Site to open the editor. Once you're inside the editor, from the left side panel, go ahead and click on the Assets tab. You can also press the J key on your keyboard to open it quickly. Now from here, click on the Upload button and select the logo you want to add. After your logo is uploaded, the next step is to add a navbar so we have a place to put the logo. So just click on the plus icon, search for navbar, and drag it to the top of your page. Now, as you can see, the navbar is added. Usually, the logo goes in this area right here. So head back to the Assets tab and simply drag and drop your logo into the navbar. At this point, the logo might look too big, so you can resize and adjust it just like this until it looks good. If it still doesn't look right, you can also change the navbar color to better match your logo. For example, I'll just change it to something like orange, and now it looks much cleaner. You can also tweak more settings from the Style panel on the right if you want, but that's totally up to you. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can add a logo to your website in Webflow. Thanks for watching.